Welcome to dotcom builders. In this video, I will share with you how to add an image carousel in Hostinger AI website builder. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. First, log in to your Hostinger account. Then go to websites. And next to your website built using Hostinger website builder, click on this edit website button. This is my website in Hostinger website builder, and to add a new image carousel, here it's simple. Just hover between two sections and you will see this add section button. Click on it. This new window pops up here on the left. Scroll down and look for slideshow. Click on it. You will see this single slideshow template. Click on it. And just like that, you will add your image carousel to your website. Now you need to edit the images of this carousel. So click on edit section, or not edit section. Click on slide 1. This window pops up. Here you can add, or before that, you can delete the current images like from here, and you can click on add images. Here you can upload your slideshow, your carousel images from your computer by hitting this upload files button. And you can add your double click your photos on your computer or use free images. These images are provided by Unsplash. Here just look for your topic and you will see. Before we continue, I want to let you know that you can get access to my Hostinger website builder masterclass online course today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with Hostinger, templates and branding, editing page content, menus and navigation, advanced layout features, contact and communication, e-commerce setup, blogging, SEO, analytics, and site management. To get access to all of this today for free, plus my other online courses about Hostinger web hosting or Hostinger Horizons, just visit this page academy.dotcom.builders and you will see how to join and get all of this today for free. Without any further ado, let's continue our video. Topic, and you will see the images like that. Let's add this with a photo, for example. Here, let's close this window. And yes, here, don't forget to update your website. And let's view my website live. And this is how to add an image carousel in Hostinger website builder. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below. And don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe. Thank you.